Stop recording.
Hey guys, it's Blind Sensation coming back to you once again. So, coming back. Hope you guys enjoyed your Wednesday. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos and content from the Lighthouse Senior Citizens on Monday. It was my very first time doing that volunteering job at the Senior Citizens. They have a Senior Citizens course at the Lighthouse. So that's my very first time doing that. And I just started again today. So I'm going to continue to do that over the years, however long, however long it decides to go. So I'm going to come do this song for you guys. It's a familiar song by Stevie Wonder. So that was a song by Stevie Wonder. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you back here on Friday. Friday, I'm gonna be recording, videotaping this event that we do every year, National Bazaar. So I'm gonna be recording and taping that. So be on the lookout for that. So Have a good night.
Stop recording.